Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. Microsoft has now introduced a tool that will automatically help in fixing blue screen of death on Windows PCs that is caused by Crowdstrike outage. In this video, let's learn more about it. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Unfortunately, I only have a personal computer which is not affected, so I won't be able to demonstrate the process. Here in this video, I will break down the information shared by the Microsoft on its support page. And also if you find this method difficult, then I have already created a video where you can check easy and simple method to fix this issue. Alright, to download the tool, you need to click on this link. The tool offers two repair options for recovering Windows clients, servers and OS hosted on Hyper-V. The first method helps in recovering with WinPE. With this method, you need to create boot media and then repair the affected device using it. This method recovers system directly and it doesn't require local admin rights. But if you have enabled BitLocker, then you need to provide security keys while repair is happening. The second method helps in recovering by booting into the safe mode. With this method, you need to create boot media, then you need to boot into safe mode, log into account with local admin rights and run the fix. This method helps in recovering your PC without asking a BitLocker security keys, but you must have access to an account with local administrator rights on the device. And this method is recommended for the PCs using TPM. So depending on this, choose the method you want to go with. Now you need to create recovery boot media. You need to meet these requirements to create recovery boot media. If you match these requirements, then head over to the next step. Follow step-by-step instructions suggested by Microsoft to create recovery boot media. Now that you have recovery boot media, use these steps to perform recovery from WinPE media and use these steps to perform recovery using safe boot media. If you follow the steps correctly, it will help in recovering your affected PC. To perform recovery on affected Hyper-V virtual machines, you need to follow steps discussed here. In case you own an affected device that doesn't support USB, then use PXE for recovering. All these steps are discussed here in details. So these are solutions suggested by Microsoft to fix BSOD due to Crowdstrike outage. In case you find this method difficult, then as I discussed above, I have already created a video where you can check easy and simple method to fix this issue. So check the link in the description. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.